You did a really good job. If anybody did anything here, it was this guy.
Fishtown hero. Fishtown legend.
Fishtown legend.
Legend?
Legend.
Whoa!
Ooh, baby.
Hold on. I'll help you out.
Anthony's really helping out here. About to get hit by a car. Yeah, you better not get. Oh. Oof. Yeah, give him some right in the front there. I think just a little more snow might help traction.
Keep putting snow in front of your car. Will snow help?
Put snow in front of his car.
Nah, he's alright.
Hey, what's the building man?
Hold on.
It's alright.
Hold on, we'll push back.
Idiot. Where the fuck you come from?
Oh my God! What's going on?
He's a fucking idiot.
He's can't stand.
Yeah, run me over. We could come out nine cars.
Whoa, you should start charging money.
We don't take credit cards.
So the day after the blizzard, mostly everybody's traveling by foot. Why? Because the roads look like this. If you're like this guy, you're like, hey, maybe it's a good idea to try to take my car out in this. But then this happens.
You better. Man, how long have you been here? Like that?
Oh.
Whoa!
Don't do that.
So where should I put the snow? Like right here? In front?
I feel like that's not a good idea.
Oh, so just put the pile over here? It's a tough one. I thought you should just put snow in front of the tires?
No.
No, that's not a good idea?
No.
Sure, what's the game plan? Like this?
I was just gonna leave all this stuff here because it's right on top of the drain.
Yeah, I'm still confused. Are you putting it here?
No, I'm moving stuff around my car.
It's all in good fun. I'm actually going to help you now. I can't do a straight face. That was a lot of fun. So now you guys deserve my service. I'm going to shovel the shit out of this.